Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1110 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited to try out my first ever Patrick Ta beauty product. So I have the Patrick Ta for Face Monochrome Moment Velvet Blush in the shade She's Adorable that I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag X. So if you have not seen my unboxing of that, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. It's a box that's supposedly curated by Patrick Ta, and you could have either gotten this blush or the brow gel in your Glam Bag X. And I'm surprised I got the blush because I love brow products, and I definitely always tell Ipsy that I want more brow products. And when it comes to blushes, I love blushes, but I don't think I put blushes as highly on my Ipsy quizzes and feedback. But either way, I'm still glad to get this blush because it looks beautiful. I mean, the packaging on it is so cute. I love all of the pink, and then the packaging on the product itself is so pretty, and this is a huge blush. I love that there's the mirror here. So this retails for $32. So this is an expensive makeup line, but it's supposed to also have some light reflecting mica for luminous glow. So maybe it'll be like a 2-in-1 blush highlighter. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, that is really pretty. Definitely pigmented. So I'll try and go in with a light hand. But oh, that is a beautiful formula. I really like this shade, and I do see a bit of that glow to it, which should look really pretty on the skin. So I'm just picking up a fluffy blush brush, and I'm gonna try and not apply too much at first. All right, going in with that really light amount. I don't think did too much, so let's go in with a little more. This does build up nicely. I feel like I'm gonna go in with a little bit more. I always end up adding so much blush. But ooh, I am noticing that sheen to the skin. I love the light reflection that this has. This is really pretty. It applies nicely, looks nice on the skin. I love a glowy blush, and I feel like this has the perfect amount of glow. It doesn't have sparkle to it. It just kind of has this gold light reflective sheen, which has a really pretty effect to the skin and to the blush. And I would say that's enough blush. I should stop there. But this color is so pretty. It has a really like sun-kissed, warm look on the skin. It's not too red. It's not too pink. It really is a perfect kind of peachy, sun-kissed shade. Let's go ahead and apply it to the other cheek. I really like how buildable it is, and it layers up so beautifully. Some people just like a light wash of blush. I tend to like a bit of a heavy hand of blush. So I'm layering it up 3 times. But this is just so pretty, I can't help myself. And I really do think this could take the place of a highlighter. Like, I love to have a bit of a blinding highlight, but for just giving that glow to the skin, that, as they call it, lit from within skin that is Patrick Ta's signature, this seriously gives it. Like, there is no mistake about that sheen to my skin and to my cheeks right now. I love that. Just took what's left of the brush and put it over my nose as well. But so here is my finished look with the blush, and I'm so happy with it. I think it looks so good on top of my makeup. It looks so good with my complexion. I just love what this did to my face. Gosh, I really want to try out more Patrick Ta products. I hope I'll get more in Ipsy going forward because, oh, this was so good. It makes me want to try out more, but they're just so expensive. I just can't get myself to spend so much on makeup when I can hopefully get it for such a good deal in Ipsy. But my first Patrick Ta makeup experience was so good. I really hope that the people that got their blushes in Ipsy are enjoying it as well. So if you did, let me know what you thought of it in the comments down below. But I just feel like this has the perfect glow, the perfect pigment. It's a beautiful color, so I have no complaints. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.